Let's come to the next one. So most of the people find difficulty in memorizing the tables or remembering the tables. So now I will show you a very useful thing with the help of this Vedic maths technique. So if you know the tables from 1 to 10, so you can try all the tables easily without any difficulty or calculations. So this is the best technique. So I'll apply this technique on the table of 23. So if you see the table, 23 ones is 23, 23 2 is 46, 23 3 is 69, 23 4 is 92, 92 115, 138, 161, 184, 207, 230. So rather than remembering all these values, the best thing what you can do for writing the table is write your 23 in two parts, like 2 as your one part and 3 as your other part. And then you can write down the individual tables. And then you combine both of them. So first I'll write the table of 2. So the table of 2 comes 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, 2 threes 6, 2 fours 8, 2 tens 5, 2 6 12, 2 7 14, 16, 18, 20. And similarly 3's table comes to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Now you have to combine both of them. So 2 and 3 it is 23, 4 and 6 is 46, 6 and 9 it is 69. Next it is 8 and 12. Now you can't write 8 and 12 directly because in your one part there should be only one digit. Whenever you get an extra number, you have to add it as a carry to the previous number. So this 1 you have to add to the previous value. So 8 plus 1 becomes 9 and 2 will remain the same. So value will be 92. And next 10 and 15. So add this 1 to 10. So this will become 11. So 115. And next 12 plus 1 is 13. 8 will remain same. So 138. Then 14 and 21. 2 will be added to 14. So 16 and 1. So 161. Then 16 and 24. So 2 will be added to 16. So 18 and 4. So 184. And next it is 18 and 27, so 2 will be added to 18, so 20 and 7, so 207. 20 plus 3, so 23 and 0, so 230. So this is the easy way how you can write a table without learning them by heart. So let us see this technique for some more tables. Now I'm going to write 48 table. As I told you, when you are writing the 48 tables, you can separate the numbers, so you will write the tables of 4 and 8 separately. So for 4, 32, 36 and 40. And for 8 table, you can write it as 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 40 digits. So whenever there are single numbers, you can directly combine it. But when you have a 2-digit number, like when you have an extra digit, you will carry it forward to the previous number. So it comes like 4 and 8, you can write it as 48. 8 and 16. Now 1 will be carried to 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So it will become 96. Next, 12 plus 2 is 14 and 4, so 144. Then 16 plus 3 is 19 and then 2, so 192. Then 20 and 40, so 20 plus 4 is 24 and 0 will be same, so 240. 24 plus 4 is 28 and second part is 8. 28 plus 5 is 33, second part is 6. 32 plus 6 is 38, then 40 plus 8 is 48 and next part is 0. So with the help of this simple technique, you can write whatever table you want. Let us see one more example, the table of 65. So for 65, it is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. And for 5, it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So you can use the same approach. Whenever you have 2 digits, you will add 1 digit to the previous number as a carry forward. So your value 6 and 5, you can combine and make it 65. And second, 12 plus 1, it is 13 and second part is 0. 18 plus 1 is 19, second part is 5. 24 and 2 is 26, second part is 0. So by using the same approach, we'll get 65, 130, 195, 260, 325, 390, 455, 520, 585 and 650. So it is very simple and you can write all the tables by using this technique. Let's see one more example, the table of 99. So for 99, you can divide it in two parts, write the 9's table separately 2 times.